Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the goal for the steps or step goal on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the step goal on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Honor Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Honor Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the health page. Now scroll down through this page and find the steps. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we have the graph with the goal. And as you can see, I have 0% because I have 0 steps, but we are interested in this goal. It says the number, and next to it we have this arrow. We need to tap on this arrow. Come on. Okay, we don't need to tap on the arrow, we need to tap on the number itself. Okay, and it will open the goal settings, and here we can adjust the goal by swiping left and right on the slider. And then we can tap on save. The goal will be saved in the app, and if you open the activities on your phone, or rather on your watch, we can see it here. We need to go to the menu and activity record. As you can see, the goal updated also on the watch. And that's how you change the step goal on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.